The final aspect of this exercise is to assemble the jewellery box. So we'll go to create an assembly, and I see my parts because they're open are here. I can drag them in. I'm going to drop that in like so, and I'll insert my top somewhere close to it. For this exercise I'm going to use the hinge mate. To find the hinge mate, it's located here in the mechanical mates, hinge. So this is an ideal exercise where we can see this mate in action. So choosing hinge, the first thing it's going to require there is the concentric selections of the hinge. That's the barrel of the hinge there. So in this case, I'll swing it around here. The concentric selections will be those two cylinders. The next requirement is the coincidence selections. So what two edges are coincident? So it's going to be this surface here is going to be coincident with that surface there. And the top and the base are now assembled. But if it is left as it is now, the box cannot be opened. So I want to specify the angle limits. So this will allow the box to be opened and closed within the assembly. So angle selections, it wants me to select what two surfaces do I want to reference my angle of. So I'm going to reference it off the top and the bottom. So at the minute now, the box is open there. So the angles here is 0 degrees. So 180 degrees is when the box will be closed. So that's the closed position. So that's my starting point, the first angle. Next one then is the maximum value. How far is this going to be able to hinge? So I can adjust that if I want. That's the 180, and I'm going to change this to 45 degrees. Coming off the mate, we can now see the box will open back there to an angle of 45 degrees. That completes the jewellery box. I can add a scene. So I'm going to add a basic blue scene. And in this case then, you could take a photorealistic image of the box open, half open, or shut, etc.